Okay, the second key is ready. As you see over here, this is the first one. This is the chip. This one ever cheap already. I'm gonna take this one off. We're gonna clean it, grind it, and put the chip inside. 1 second. Okay, as you see, the key is cut and ready. This is the chip. I'm going to put the chip inside, and I'm going to put a little scotch tape on it. I'm not going to glue it yet. We need first to finish the program process. Okay, that's only a tape to hold the chip. And let's go do the program, guys. This is the car. I will check both of the keys now. I have my computer inside the car already. Perfect. Okay, this one works. Everything is good. We're not going to do the smart key because the customer doesn't want it. It's too expensive for him. Okay, as you see, I drew the BCM code already. I converted. I did the steering wheel released, and now I'm going to do just the cycle to program the key. Basically, the system is open. I'm going to put first key. I'm going to turn it for 5 seconds. Another one for 5 seconds. Okay, I think it's too long and one key only code, but let me check it out. But no, it's not working. Okay, let me see what we're gonna do here. We're gonna try to cycle it again. That's the second key. Taking this off. We need to finish with the first key. I will keep doing it one more time to make sure if everything is fine or not. So that's the second key. That's the first key. Okay. No, it's not starting. No, none of them start. Okay. Right, let's connect the computer. Always problem, it's good sometimes. Okay. Sorry about it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go straight to mobilizer because the ignition is open. Oh, I forgot to turn on the ignition, I'm sorry. Maybe it's gonna do fail. I'm gonna redo it again. Yeah, okay, the ignition switch is on. We're inside the system. Okay, I have the BCM already, 5626. Okay, let's go. Okay, program success, but it's not done yet. We need to cycle the keys. So the computer is going to tell us here, you see switch ignition off, remove the key, instant the second key for 5 seconds, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's do it. That was the first key, so I will put the second key here. is the second key. Okay, as you see, security light not here, so we all good, thank God. Okay, let's check it out. Second key. Up. Car is on. Okay, this is the first key. Let's double check the other one. All set. Let's collect the money. Okay guys, don't forget, if you lost your car keys or you need a spare key, call ILocksmiths Brooklyn, 718-504-5625 or 855-399-7227. Have a nice day. Now the car is done.